Alright, so I just recorded a little bit on my GoPro, and now my GoPro's acting really freaking weird. It's like a bunch of the settings are gone and stuff. I think it just needs an update. I don't want to freaking deal with it tonight. So we're just gonna film on my phone because nothing else to film with. I want to film. I can't go down those. He's got the Andy Anderson shirt on.
I know.
Nice ollie, holy crap. Dang.
That was fun.
Andy Anderson, sponsor.
Yeah, sure.
Even though he's pro. Wait, so you want me to stay?
Andy Anderson sponsored me. I'm joking.
I'm gonna title this Andy Anderson sponsored him.
Sure, yeah.
Even though he doesn't even sponsor people.
I know. Then who would sponsor me? Vans, please sponsor. Someone sponsor me. What are we gonna name this video?
Andy Anderson sponsor you.
What, me?
Yeah, you. RTW Skates.
Yeah.
Alright, ready? There you go. This way.
Tell him to subscribe to me.
Subscribe to RTW Skate.
Oh
Right?
my god. Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, go. Oh, crap. I can only feel like
that up.
my... Wait, you can go down this? Oh, crap.
I didn't know I could go down that.
Oh, crap. I tried the manual.
I went to push and I forgot wrong.